In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download conversation in Slack. We'll walk through the exact path inside Slack to export a conversation, plus a few tips so you know what to expect along the way. To start, open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type Slack into the search bar and click the official Slack website. This takes you to Slack on the web, where you can access your workspace just like in the desktop app. Once you're in Slack, look to the very top left of the screen. You'll see your workspace name and logo. Click that area to open the main workspace menu. This is where Slack groups important controls that affect your entire workspace, not just a single channel or direct message. From that menu, choose Tools and Settings. This opens a panel with administrative and configuration options. Next, select Admin Tools. If you don't see Admin Tools, you may not have the right permissions. Exporting data is typically limited to workspace admins or owners, and availability can depend on your plan and your organization's policies. Inside Admin Tools, click Data Exports. The Data Exports page is where you manage downloads of message history that your workspace is allowed to export. This tool is intended for compliance and record keeping, so use it only if you're authorized to do so. Now choose Export Date Range. Pick the start and end dates that cover the conversation timeframe you need. Narrower ranges usually process faster and result in smaller files, so it's smart to select just what you need rather than your entire history. Double-check the dates before proceeding. When your date range is set, click Start Export. Slack will begin preparing the archive. The time this takes depends on the size of your workspace and the range you selected. It can be quick for small exports and longer for larger ones. You may see a status indicator on the page, and depending on your workspace settings, Slack might also notify you when the export is ready. After the export completes, your file is ready to download. You'll see it available from the Exports area. The export typically comes as a compressed archive that contains conversation data in a structured format. Keep in mind that exports may include only the types of conversations your workspace is permitted to export, and content from private channels or direct messages may be restricted by policy. That's the full process. Open Slack from the web, go to your workspace menu, choose Tools and Settings, go to Admin Tools, open Data Exports, set your date range, start the export, and then access the file once it's ready. Use exports responsibly and in line with your organization's guidelines.